Hello everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today on the menu, we've got roast chicken and veggies, washed carrots and potatoes. Add in the spices. Massage the spices into the vegetables. Add in a bit of olive oil. The olive oil helps the spices stay on the veggies when roasting. Chicken breast. Add in your spices. Massage in the spices. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cover the veggies and the chicken with cling film. Set aside for 15 minutes or more. Layer it up in the roasting dish with the chicken going in first. Then the veggies. Roast in the oven 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes.
Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Turn at intervals for even cooking. All done. Enjoy!
Guys, please give your girl a thumbs up.
See you in the next video. Stay safe.